Good morning, my awesome students. How are you? Today we will complete Unit 3 for Mega Girl 3, Far and Away, Lesson 3, page 36. Today we will use adverbs of degree and sentence adverbs. Okay, at first, can you name as many adverbs as you can? Excellent. To, so, very, nearly. Excellent. You are perfect. Why do we use adverbs of degree? Adverbs of degree tell about the intensity of a verb, the power of the verb, or adjective or other adverb. Okay? So adverbs can modify verb or adjective or adverb. Some common adverbs of degree are absolutely, completely, hardly, quite, so, almost, enough, just, rather, to, purely, extremely, nearly, scarcely, very. Scarcely, barely, and hardly have the same meaning, okay? Now, where are adverbs placed? Adverbs of degree usually go before the main verb they modify. For example, I have almost finished packing. Where is the main verb here? Finished. Excellent. This is the main verb. Teacher, what about have? Have is an auxiliary verb. Okay, so we place almost before the main verb. Before the main verb. Another example, I nearly missed my flight. Nearly missed. Here the adverb is placed before the main verb missed. Okay? Adverbs of degree usually go before the adjective or adverb they modify. For example, the travel agent was extremely helpful. This adverb modifies the adjective helpful. Helpful is an adjective. So the adverb is placed before the adjective. Okay, extremely helpful. Another example, he reads the map very carefully. Carefully is adverb. Carefully is adverb. And the adverb of degree verb comes before the adverb it modified. Okay? What about enough? Enough is different. Enough is used as an adverb of degree. It's placed after the adjective and adverb. Okay? Is your coffee hot enough? Where is enough? It comes after the adjective. Okay? You are not speaking loudly enough. Loudly is adverb, so enough comes after the adverb. Do you get it? Okay. What about sentence adverb? Sentence adverbs modify an entire sentence, the whole sentence, okay? Or a whole clause within a sentence. They indicate the attitude of the speaker. Some common sentence adverbs are actually, in fact, certainly, for sure, frankly, truthfully, obviously, clearly, probably, maybe, admittedly, indeed, clearly, like obviously, honestly, like frankly, officially, formally, undoubtedly, for sure, certainly, apparently, clearly. It means evidently, they have the same meaning. Naturally, presumably, which means it would seem. Presumably, it would seem. Unfortunately, unluckily, or fortunately, luckily. Do you pay attention for the stars? Excellent. Some sentence adverbs usually go at the beginning of sentence, like frankly, admittedly, honestly, officially, unfortunately, naturally. Okay, they came or go at the beginning of the sentence. For example, frankly, I am disappointed in the quality of this hotel. Frankly, at the beginning of the sentence. Other sentence adverbs can go after verb to be. After verb to be. Before simple tense of other verbs or after the auxiliary in a compound verb. For example, you are obviously having a good time. Are obviously, okay, the adverb comes after verb to be. He certainly spent a lot of money on this trip. Certainly spent. Certainly comes before the main verb spent. The flight has undoubtedly left by now. Undoubtedly comes before the main verb left. Clear now? Are you ready to answer exercise number A? Okay. Rewrite each sentence to include the adverb of degree. We have recovered from our trip. We will use almost. At first, we should determine where is the main verb. Where is the main verb here? Excellent. Recovered. So, we add almost before the main verb. Before recovered. We have almost recovered from our trip. Almost recovered. Okay, number 1. We ate anything on the airplane. Hardly. Where is the main verb? Perfect. Ate. So we use hardly before the main verb. Okay? Excellent. We hardly ate anything on the airplane. Write the answer, please. Number 2, the food was planned for me. Planned means not delicious. Use to. Where is the main verb here? Excellent. Was. Was. So we add to after verb to be. Excellent. After verb to be. The food was too planned for me. Number 3, the flight attendant dropped my meal on me. Nearly. Where is the main verb? Dropped. Excellent. So we add nearly before the main verb. So before the main verb. The flight attendant nearly dropped my meal on me. Number 4, sleeping on the train was uncomfortable. Rather. Where is the main verb here? Excellent. Was. So we use the adverb after verb to be. Excellent. Sleeping on the train was rather uncomfortable. Number 5, We were exhausted by the end of our trip. Absolutely. Where is the main verb here? Exhausted. And here, where is verb to be. So we add absolutely after verb to be. Perfect. We were absolutely exhausted by the end of our trip. Number 6, the airplane seat wasn't big for me. Pay attention. Enough modify the adjective. Very good. And comes after the adjective. Where is the adjective here? Big. You are awesome. So, the airplane seat wasn't big enough for me. Okay, thank you, my dear students, and have a nice day. Goodbye.